Etekcity Food Scale, Digital Kitchen Scale, 304 stainless steel, weight in grams and ounces for baking, cooking, and meal prep, LCD display, medium. Brand, etekcity. Color, stainless steel. Recommended uses for product, pets, envelopes, jewelry, vegetables, medicines, packages, fruits, food. Display type LCD. Weight limit 11 pounds. Form factor, mini. Material, stainless steel. Readout accuracy 1 grams, item weight, 200 grams, product dimensions 7.3 x 5.7 by 0.6 inches. Item weight, 7.1 ounces. Manufacturer, etekcity. Country of origin, China. Item model number, EK6015. Batteries, 2 AAA batteries required. Included. Is discontinued by manufacturer, no. This etekcity digital scale has endless uses for personal or commercial environments, great for homes, kitchens, offices, and more. The scale has an easy-to-read LCD display with a beautiful clear backlit. With a capacity of 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, you can weigh a variety of items with ease. You will be surprised at all your uses for this product. Weighing functions. You can easily choose among measurements in Oz, lb, Oz, g, ml, milk and water, FL/Oz, milk/water. This digital scale measures in precise increments of 0.05 ounces, 1 g, to accurately weigh your items. Power is provided by 2 AAA batteries, included, making the scale portable and ensuring you can easily acquire replacement batteries. Tare function. The Tare function allows the user to deduct the weight of a container from the total weight in order to determine the net weight of the contents excluding the weight of the container which holds them. Clear display in auto-off. The scale has an easy-to-read backlit display, staying 30 seconds for easy reading. To save energy, the scale also features an auto-off function, allowing the scale to turn off after 2 minutes of inactivity. Do not mix new and used batteries to power the device. Specifications. Weight capacity, 176 ounces/5000 g/11 pounds. Units, g/oz/lb, oz/ml, milk and water, /FL/Oz, milk/water. Measurement increments, 1 g, minimum measurement, 2 g, auto-off, 2 minutes. Power, 2x AAA 1.5 VDC. Dimensions, 7.3 by 5.7 by 0.6 inches. Package contents. 1x Digital Kitchen Scale and Quick Start Guide. 2x AAA 1.5 VDC batteries. Do not mix new and used batteries to power the device. Effortless weighing. Supports 5 units, Oz/lb, Oz/FL/Oz/g/ml, Tare function, and includes 2 AAA batteries for hassle-free operation. Precise results. Accurately weighs up to 5 kilograms per 11 pounds with 1 g increments. Simple and compact. The small and sleek scale is a perfect fit for most kitchens, occupying little space and easily storable in cabinets. Easy to clean. Wipe down the 304 food-grade stainless steel surfaces to keep them clean. LCD display. Backlit LCD screen with large fonts for easy reading.